How to withdraw money from Empower Retirement 401k. Log into your Empower Retirement account. Navigate to the Withdrawal section. Choose the type of withdrawal, retirement or pre-retirement. For retirement withdrawal, select your distribution options. Enter the withdrawal amount. Select the payment frequency for periodic payments. Confirm your tax withholding preferences. Review the withdrawal summary. Agree to the terms and conditions. You have to click submit to complete your request. Wait for confirmation and funds to be transferred. So this was a guide for withdrawing money from your Empower Retirement 401k. Hope you understood the topic. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.